understand why people are so angry at Labour in particular.
No, I understand that people are angry because they're hurt. But I think people objectively will look at what the government has done and look at the alternatives that were posited. If you look at, say, Sinn Féin in 2011, and they're now one of the most popular parties in the country, their recipe in 2011 was to tell the Troika to get lost and take their money with them. Had we done that, had Sinn Féin's policy stated position by Gerry Adams being implemented by the incoming government in 2011, we'd have collapsed as a country by the autumn of 2011 because we had no money.
We had that they're very popular now, and obviously they are. Can you envisage a country where Gerry Adams is Taoiseach?
I mean, I'm a Democrat. I don't know what's going to happen into the future, but I do know that had we followed their recipe, we'd have been in a worse situation in 2011 than Greece is in today, because we had 5 months' money to pay teachers and guards and nurses, old age pensioners and people who are dependent on public services. What would have happened when the hospitals couldn't be paid, when the guards couldn't be paid, when the local government services couldn't be paid for? What would have happened? Nobody was giving us money. Our interest rates were 14%. Nobody was giving us money. We couldn't borrow. And the only people who were willing to give us money, the Troika, were going to be chucked out. Now that's the prospect that faced us. We took a different route. We rolled up our sleeves and negotiated with the Troika and got a completely reformed deal